Hello, everybody. I thought we'd go over our math for this week. Now, have you been doing your survey questions? My survey question was, do you like broccoli? And I asked everybody that was in my house, including the animals. 4 of us said yes. 3 of us said no. So I circled the one that had more. I want you to continue coming up with survey questions. You don't have to use the same paper if you want. You could make up your own. I think this time I'm going to ask, do you like swimming? Swimming. And I put it right in there. Remember, I'm going to ask the question. If the person says yes, I'll write their name here. If they say no, I'll write it on this column. At the end, I'm going to count how many said yes and how many said no. Then I'm going to circle the one that's the biggest. We also have this week, how many carrots? Now, I'll put it right up here. First things first, name on your paper, Miss R. It says, read the problem, show your work. Meg was making soup for dinner. She bought 6 carrots. She used 2 carrots. How many carrots are left? Now, I know some important information is that she bought 6 carrots. So I'm going to circle the 6. And then it says she used 2. So I'm going to circle the 2. She bought 6 and used 2. So is this story about putting together or taking apart? She bought 6, but then used 2 of them. You said taking apart. That's correct, which means this is a subtraction problem. So we're going to need to use the minus sign. I'm going to set up my math equation right now. Blank minus blank equals blank. I think I'm going to do it in marker just so you can see it. Blank minus blank equals blank. Okay, now, she bought 6 carrots. How am I going to show that? I could draw the picture. How many carrots am I going to draw? 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let me just double check my work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6. Now, Meg bought 6 carrots and she used 2. How am I going to show that she used 2? Cross out. How many are you going to cross out? 2 of them. Because it says she used 2. 1, 2. Now I have to write my math equation. How many did she start with? 6. How many did she use? 2. You're going to have to come up with the answer. 6 minus 2 equals, now remember, when we do our subtraction pictures, we have to draw all of them out and then cross out the ones that have gone away, taken apart. Excellent. Next one is how many pattern blocks. Now, this says Mia grabbed 2 handfuls of pattern blocks. Here's one handful, here's the other. We have to figure out how many of each block Mia grabbed. And then we're going to put them in order. So let's take a look. This is the shape, the hexagon. How many did Mia grab? She has 1 in this hand and 1 in that hand. How many altogether? 2. I'm going to write my 2. How about the trapezoids? Oh, I see 1 here. Oh, and another one. How many trapezoids did she have? 2. All right, let's look for the rhombus. I see 1, 2, 3. 3 of the blue rhombuses. Squares? 1, 2, 3, 4. Mia grabbed 4 squares. Now, the white rhombuses, those are the skinnier, thinner ones. I don't see any in this hand, but I do see 1, 2. She grabbed 2. Now, how about that triangle? Aha, I found one. Oh, and she found another. The grand total of 2. All right, now we have to put these numbers in order from the smallest to the largest. 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. Which number is the smallest? 2. We're going to write the number 2. Now remember, we have to use all the numbers. So here's a little trick I like to do. I already wrote one of the 2 right here. So I'm going to put a dot under 1. I used that number. It's gone. Now, the numbers I have left are 2, 3, 4, 2, 2. Which number is the smallest? That's right, 2. Because I have to use all those numbers. I'm going to put another dot under another 2. So I've already used 2 of these 2's. I still have 3, 4, 2, 2 left. Which number of 3, 4, 2, 2 is the smallest? 2. Whoa. I'm going to put another dot under a 2. So now I've used 1, 2, 3 2's. I still have 3 numbers left. 3, 4, and 2. 3, 4, and 2. Which number is the smallest? 2. That's a lot of 2's. So I've already used 2, 2, 2, 2. Let's just double check. 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah. Now I have a 3 and a 4 left. Which number is the smallest? 3. Which leaves our last number, 4. Now, you can come up with the answer for the last one. How many did Mia grab in all? Count them up. How many did she grab all together? You'll put your number right there. Have you guys tried a grab and count? You have a grab and count block. Now, we don't have the pattern block, so we kind of have to use what we have in our house. Miss R is going to use some gummies. I'm going to open them up and put them in a bowl. They're stuck to the bag. Awesome. So I have a bunch of gummies in there that I can grab and count. I'll probably eat them too. I already changed this. So instead of it saying shape, I'm going to put color. We have, we'll start with the yellow first. Yellow, and orange, the pink, and the red. So I wrote yellow, orange, pink, and red. Now remember, make this work for you. You could use Legos. You could use crayons. You could use any kind of toy. Anything you have in the house. We'll just change it so it works for whatever object you're picking up. All right, I'm going to grab so I can count. Here's my handful. All right, let's see. How many yellow did I grab? 2. I'm going to write the number 2 under the yellow. I have 1 orange. So I'll write the 1 under orange. Did I grab any pinks? So I'm going to write a 0 under the pink. Last one, how many reds? 3. So I'll put a 3 under red. Now, we have to go through and see which number is the smallest. Now, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can cross off the last 2 because I don't have them. That's okay. Now, 2103. Which number is the smallest? 0. All right, I'm putting my dot underneath it, so I know I used it up. So I have a 2, 1, and a 3 left. Which number is the smallest? 1. I'll write my number 1 right here. Put a dot under there. I have a 2 and a 3 left. Which one's the smallest? 2. So I'll write my number 2, and then the last is the number 3. I have all my handful right here. I need to find out how many I grabbed all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I grabbed 6 in all. So you could use this sheet and come up with a whole bunch of different grab and count. Don't forget to order it. You could also use the same materials if you want to do pattern block grab comparing left and right. I could grab with my right hand and grab with my left hand. Whoops, one fell off. I can count them up and see which hand has more. Again, use what you have in your house. Happy counting!